Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, this is such a pretty collection. How much Tylenol does your child need? I want to do a fun look with these colors. Sorry, I'm going right into it right now. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. I'm sure most of you are staying indoors right now. I hope you got your hands on some supplies because I sure as hell didn't. There's everything sold out everywhere. I even sent Joel over to Target to go pick up a flat of water and another box of Tylenol for Riley because I am nearly out because she was sick this past weekend and I only had the small little bottle. And you know, you always gotta keep one on hand just in case because I only give it to her if her fever gets super high and if she really, really needs it. And everything was sold out. He comes back and he's like, have you seen Target? I'm like, no. And he's like, everything is sold out. He goes, you should see the lines. He goes, I talked to a Target employee and they said they're about to put a ban on how much people can buy because they're all buying everything in bulk. Like there's nothing left. I'm like, oh my God, how much Tylenol does your child need? I mean, we just need one box, that's it. So people are hoarding the Tylenol and the toilet paper and the wipes and everything. Fun stuff. It's pretty crazy right now, but also due to the coronavirus, as you guys can tell, is probably a big reason why there's also barely any packages right now. I have a feeling it's because a lot of the components in makeup and stuff are actually made in China. I even know stuff that's coming out in the future having to be halted because they can't get the components from China because all the factories are shut down. So I believe a lot of launches have actually been pushed back because of that reason, because they can't get stuff made because a lot of it is actually made in China. So we're in the situation right now. So I don't know how well these PR unboxings are gonna go on the Saturdays. I'm gonna wait to see how next week goes and we'll probably get a little creative with them. Maybe just like be a bare face and try stuff on or try stuff out to help make them a little bit longer and a little bit more entertaining because there aren't as many packages. And I know a lot of you guys like the longer PR hauls. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, but I hope everyone is being safe going through everything. It's pretty crazy out there right now. It's now known as a pandemic. So yeah, I just hope everyone's being safe, wash your hands, do your thing. Anyways, I hope everyone stays safe out there and I hope that it all gets under control very soon. But oh, this is such a pretty collection. We have a package from Colourpop. Sorry, I'm going right into it right now. But we have a package from Colourpop. This is called Making Mauves. I actually saw this on their Instagram and I thought it was so pretty. I think one of you guys actually tagged me in it too because it's so my collection. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with blush tones and mauves. Like they're just everything. So we've got quite a bit of products here. We have the Colourpop Luxe Gloss and this is in Check-In. Ooh, let's take a look at this guy. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm actually gonna pop this on right now. I like their glosses. Their glosses are so nice. So there is, here I'll also swatch it on my hand for you guys so you can see, but it's just a light tinted mauve color right there. This is definitely one that I would keep in my bag and like use it as touch-ups throughout the day. Next up we have some, Super Shock Shadow Duos. So we have it in Day Trippin' and Bloomer right here. The packaging is really, really beautiful on these. I have not seen them do color shock shadows in a bit for collection, so that is really exciting. These are really pretty lilac colors, like purple shades. This is more of a deeper purple, and it's got a really pretty shimmer to it. Look at that. That is gorgeous right there. I love the Super Shock shadows. They feel so cool. And then we have Day Trippin', and this is more of a lilac shade. It looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it as well, but that one's really, really pretty. Oh, it's like a duochrome. Look at that. So gorgeous. Also, we have another lip gloss, and this one is in Figgy With It. It's With It, yeah. Figgy With It. And oh, this one's pretty too. It's a little bit more of another deeper muted purple. And it's kind of like the same thing. It's just a nice light tint to it. This is such a pretty collection. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have to say, the rain is so nice outside right now. It's just so calming and relaxing to listen to it. Next up, we have some blushes, and this is Coast to Coast right here. I love the packaging. It's so beautiful. Look at the component. Oh my God, okay. This is like my shade right here. I love the cool tone to it, and I love how they engraved a flower in there as well. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this on my cheeks. I'm trying this out tomorrow. The other shade that we have here is called Catch My Vibe. And this one looks like, oh my gosh, look at this pink. Oh my goodness. Oh, they killed it with the blushes. They killed it with the blushes. I'm so excited for both of these blushes. These are both colors that I would totally wear on an everyday basis. So I love that. And then last but not least, we have the palette, and this is called Making Mauves. or mauves. Because you know like how, I think you can pronounce mauve in 2 different ways. I think it's mauve and then there's mauve. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there is. But here is the palette right there with the packaging, and then you open it up and here are the shades. Really, really beautiful shades. Oh my goodness. Again, a palette that is so, so me. Like this is perfect right here. I'm gonna go to Solitaire. Oh my goodness. So Solitaire looks like this. Really pretty, kind of more of a purpley brown, I wanna say. And then we have Marquee, which is more of a deeper shade. There's Marquee. And last but not least, we'll grab a shimmer. So we'll do Bicoastal. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, look at that. I cannot wait to do a look with these mauve, I'm like mauve colors. I feel like mauve is just so more me. But I cannot wait to do a look with these colors. I think they are gorgeous. All right, so we got a package from Bite Beauty here, and this is their new Line and Fine Lip Primer. Oh, how cool. It's basically a clean lip primer where it's gonna help with any fading or feathering that happens at the lines of the lips. So that is so neat. I am so excited for this. Oh my God, I also love their packaging. This is such a beautiful color. So it's just a clear lip primer. You put it on first, and then you could put on like a red lipstick or anything after that you have maybe a chance of it feathering, so it will help prevent it. It will like kind of create a barrier there. So I'm very excited to try this out and see how well it works. All right, so next up is a bag from IT Cosmetics here, and they sent over 2 foundations as well as their IT Cosmetics brush. I forgot what brush this is called, but it's basically a flat top kabuki one. It was just also really good for their powders because that really helps build up coverage and pack it on. So we have the Celebration foundation that they sent over. They sent over 2 of them in the shade Light. And let me open it up for you. Here is the foundation. I actually used to use this one a ton in the past. I haven't used a powder foundation in so long, I feel like. But this one is really, really nice, especially if you have drier skin, because it doesn't make your skin feel super dry, which I love. And it has great coverage, and it doesn't break you out too. So this is also something I actually used to really enjoy. What I would do is I would kind of go over some spots that I needed extra coverage in, put a little bit of concealer on there, and then I would just dust this powder all over my face and be good to go for the day. So I really like that. And also for powder, it has really, really good coverage too. Oh my goodness, friends, I'm so excited for this one. So we got a new package from Tatcha, and I am so pumped for this. So as you guys know, they have the silk canvas, which is in that little pot, where you could like, you know, take it out and you just press it onto the skin. Well, they came out with a liquid silk canvas version of a primer, and I am so pumped. So it says prep and protect. The liquid silk canvas contains 3 types of silk that act as a shield to keep skin looking healthy and lustrous while improving the payoff and longevity of your look. So let's open this up. Look at how cute this is. I love this. So, oh my God, they even sent over a little mini. Oh, this is like perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is perfect for travel. And honestly, it's also really good because this thing only has a 6-month shelf life. And I honestly cannot see myself finishing up the big size in 6 months. So I think that is such a cool little size. Also a great way to try it out. But here we have, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Look how stunning that is, the way that they do their packaging. I love it. But this is the liquid silk canvas, and it has a pump on it. But look at the packaging. Always so luxurious. Tatcha kills it every single time. I love their stuff. So I will be trying this out tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I can also use this in a future testing out new makeup video, but I actually been really enjoying trying things off camera and using them for a good week before even talking about them. So that way I can really talk about like the longevity of it, how it's sitting on my skin, if it broke me out or whatnot. So I will be testing this out before then though, but I'll keep you guys updated on it. All right, so the next package is from IT Cosmetics, and I am being so thrown back right now by looking at some of these products. I'm like, I don't know, whenever I see their eyeshadow pods, I get thrown back to high school days because this is what I lived off of. I had so many of these. But anyways, they sent over their Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. I cannot wait to try this out. I have not used it before. I don't think I've tried out any of their mascaras. No, I have, like in high school, but that was a long time ago. So I'm excited to try this one out. And then they also sent over their Eyebrows Big Boost Fiber Gels, and I love the colors they sent over. They sent over Fling and Lingering. Fling is actually my shade. Fling is the one I would buy their pencil in all the time. I would go back between MAC, because I also used an eyeshadow pot to fill in my brows when I was in high school. But I would go between MAC and Benefit with their stuff of what I would use to fill in my brows because I've been filling them in for so long. But anyways, very excited about that. Ooh, dropping it. And then we have their eye kohl. So we have their Smolder eye kohl, which is a really good eye pencil. I've actually used this before. And then last but not least, we've got a set of shadows. Oh my gosh. This one for some reason is throwing me back, but I think the one that I had actually had a shimmer in it. And I wish I could find those pictures from high school. I used to do such colorful looks in high school when it came to my eyeshadows. You guys, I went crazy, but this one is called Mint Condition. And I had a mint color eyeshadow, but I believe it had shimmer in it from MAC that I used all the time. But oh my God, just look at how pigmented that is. How crazy is that? It would be so much fun to find the picture of me with the colorful look. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find it because honestly it was like on MySpace days. But it would be awesome to be able to find that picture and try to recreate the look for fun. But then we have Triennial Wave in Satin. Oh my God, my nail is really breaking. I gotta go get these done right after this video. But we have this, oh my gosh, I feel like I've owned this one too. I used to own all the, you guys, I know it's crazy to think because I'm such a neutral like color girl right now. But I used to be so big into color. I even had a hot pink color. I would do the teal and the hot pink. I was like crazy with color. But it's a beautiful cobalt blue right here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, oh my goodness. Okay, so these are new eyebrow big boost fiber gels. I feel like they had gels already before, but I can't remember. I don't know. Anyways, so we had those, and then we've got Cozy Gray and Matte. So this is the Cozy Gray Matte eyeshadow right there. I'll swatch this one for you guys. This one's a little bit lighter. It's more of a light kind of taupey brown, grayish tone. Then we have Sandstone. Oh, this is gonna be that's a really good brown for a crease shade right there. Oh yeah, this is something I would use, like those two browns. I love that. I wanna do a fun look with these colors. Then we have the shade in Mo Money, Mo Problems. Here's that kind of like olive green. Oh wow, look at that. And then last but not least, we have a glitter here, or a shimmer shade. We have Disco the Q? I don't know. But let me open it up for you guys. This is what it looks like right here. And then let me swatch it. Oh my gosh. Wow, super pigmented. I forgot how good MAC pot shadows were. I used to have so many of them. And I've thrown a ton away now, especially my palette ones that I depotted a ton and put them into their palettes. Because they were just so old. I've had, all of them were basically from high school and like college. So it was time for those to go because that was a while ago. But thank you so much to MAC for sending these over. I could not wait to use these shadows and also to test out the brow gel. All right, so next up is a package from Lamy. I don't know how you say it, but this is the name of it right there. I will have the link down below in the description box to where you can find it, but let's see what they said. They sent me over a note. Madison. Oh, I love it when they do like personal notes. So great. Okay, so it says, here at Lamy, we believe in partnering with you to help you achieve your best skin. We are so excited for you to try our amazing products. Let us know what you think. Happy glowing. XOXO Lamy. I really hope I'm saying it right. But let's see what they sent over. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they sent over some eye firming mask right here. Oh, I need to use that. We have a moisture infusion mask, which I'm going to use tonight. My skin is so dry right now. We have the BioCell Plus mask, and they sent over some cards in here. I think just like some reading stuff. So I'll read those a little bit later. Then we have their IsoCell Recovering Solution, Nourish and Soothe. Definitely need to try this out. Yes. And then we have their TGF-B Booster, Boost and Transform. So this is it's a hyaluronic acid-based serum with potent peptides, revolutionary proteins, powerful antioxidants, and natural algae extract. Deeply hydrates to promote firmness, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and restore a healthy glow. Yes. Then we have their hyaluronic serum, which is going to hydrate and plump. So this is going to hydrate without clogging pores, features vitamin E and 3 powerful botanical extracts with soothing, hydrating, anti-aging benefits for balanced and healthy looking skin. Love this. Definitely need to try these out. I will let you guys know how these work out for me. I'm gonna open up one of them right here. So this is this guy right there. Oh, I like the packaging. I love how simple it is. How nice. And this one is just a spray. So I guess, yeah, I guess you just spray or apply onto affected areas to soothe irritation and condition damaged skin. Oh, you can also remove excess liquid with a clean gauze pad if necessary. Avoid eye area. So you just kind of spray it all over and it's going to help revive your skin. Definitely going to try that out. I'll let you guys know how these work for me. The last package is from Juvias, and this is beautiful. This is a beautiful box. I'm going to save this box and use it to store stuff because it's stunning. But they sent over the Plant Power New Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. It's for $18 right here. And they also sent over their new Color and Bloom blush bouquets. Oh my God, I love their blush bouquets. So these are available March 10th, so they already are available right now. Let me just show you guys real quick. So this is the Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. Let's open it up. It's a natural shine. Oh my God, this looks like everything right here. Oh, I'm so excited. It's kind of watery. But this is something I would love to just put on my lips throughout the day because it's so moisturizing. It definitely is like it feels like an oil. It feels really good. And then we have the blush bouquets. So we have Passion Duo, which I'm actually gonna save. This is what Passion Duo, I'm gonna save this one for a giveaway because it's a little bit too dark for me. So this one will be saved for a giveaway. And then Darling is gonna be more my shade. So let me show you guys Darling. I love their packagings. These blush duos, oh, these are so beautiful. Look at that. I love these tones. You guys, we got some good blushes this weekend. Like really good blushes. Oh my goodness. Those are stunning. I am gonna go totally more for that pink because I'm such a pink blush girl, but they're both beautiful. This one would be good if you wanted to do just like a light dusting and keep things very neutral if you have a lot going on the eyes. But I love the pink one right here. So those are gorgeous. Thank you, Juvias, for sending these over. And you guys stay tuned for this one popping up at a giveaway for one of you. That is everything in this PR unboxing. I know it's a lot smaller. I have a feeling it's gonna be a little sparse like this from here on out until everything kind of sizzles out with the coronavirus. So everyone just stay safe, wash your hands, and hopefully we'll get through this pandemic because it is gnarly right now. But wishing you guys all the best. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.